Here we go. All right. Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday morning, and it's time for Lunch with Al, which is a series that I interview ordinary people that have interesting results from whole food, plant based lifestyle. Not that you're ordinary, Steve,
I am
but,
ordinary.
but this is my friend Steve. And this is sort of the second time we've done that. Evidently, I forgot to put film in that thing and it just didn't show the first time. So here we go for the second time. Steve, how long have you been whole food plant based?
5 years.
5 years. That's right. Your wife reminded
Yeah,
you.
5 years.
He
That's
thought
right.
originally it was three. What caused you to become whole food plant based?
Um, Basically, I had a right hip replacement. He was telling me I was going to have problems with my left hip soon. My wife decided that we would go plant based because it was going to help. She heard my arthritis. So we went plant
Yes.
based, and she was exactly right.
Would
I
you amplify on the arthritis just a little bit, please?
I had major arthritis, not only with my hip, but I played 11 years of football and some rugby, and I had major arthritis, very bad and
Painful.
very painful. And by going plant based, it completely went away.
And how long did it take to completely go away?
Realistically, it was months.
You said
Um,
last time, I believe, about a year and a half or so.
well,
Oh,
more I
sorry.
thought about it. It started actually going away within 6 months and then completely gone after a year. 100%. I
Yeah,
don't have any
that's a
arthritis.
big deal.
Shoulders were giving me problems.
Yeah,
Like I said, I had to have a right hip replacement. He was telling me my left was going to have to go. There's no way. It's fine.
yeah. Now,
It's
go.
amazing.
It is.
It's
It is.
amazing.
That's why I'm interviewing you. Now, tell us what other benefits you have received with this whole
Weight
food
loss.
plant. Yes.
Yeah, weight loss. I generally am about 245, 250.
Mm-hmm.
I now weigh
You're how
two.
tall are you?
I'm 6 foot,
Okay.
5'11",
Yeah.
6 foot. I am now 200,
Okay.
and I really didn't try to lose the weight.
Right.
It actually just kind of
Side side benefit.
melted off of me, and I
Yeah.
was shocked that I was losing weight as rapidly
Yeah.
as I was losing weight. So
Yeah.
obviously, I was
Was
pretty
doing the right thing.
pretty
You
overweight.
were well that too, but that's also a sign. People tell me I'm on a whole food plant based diet and they're big. I think no, you're not.
I came from a we ate a lot of meat,
Yes.
a lot of cheese. I drank a lot of milk. Um, Big into it. A lot of we went ahead. In fact, for years I raised our own pigs, and we have goats, and we were eating the pigs. Obviously, chickens, same thing. We'd eat the chickens, eat the eggs. We do none of that any longer. And again, not only I feel great on eating plant based, but I feel great that I'm not killing animals.
Yeah, that's a nice benefit. Yeah.
It's a great benefit.
Have you noticed any change in your energy level?
Energy is definitely better.
Yeah.
100%. My mind is actually
Yes. Yeah.
a lot clearer.
Yeah.
And I think about a lot of important things more than what I think when I did when I was eating a lot of meat and
Yeah.
consuming a lot of cheese. It's pretty amazing how the right foods fuel your body
It, our body
and
was
your mind.
designed to eat this way, and your mind. Yes.
Yep.
Good to bring that up. Thank you. Um, do you miss any of the food that you used to eat?
You know, at first, I'd have these little cravings. I mean, I'm talking about from the very beginning. I'd have these little cravings because I was used to eating so much
Yes.
meat and cheese and e- eggs,
Yes.
bacon. No, I absolutely would never go back. Love the way I eat. Again, I can eat as much as I want.
Yes.
That's the other beautiful
Yes.
thing about this, and and feel really good about it.
Yeah. Yeah. So I know the answer, but I always ask it. Have you ever been tempted to fall off the wagon?
No, No.
Good answer. Yes.
In fact, I think by going plant-based, it's also because now I know I'm putting good, I'm eating right. I also stopped drinking 100%. I don't need. I used to go out and we'd socialize
Yeah.
with beer. I don't need to drink any more
Yeah.
alcohol.
Yeah.
Period.
Yeah.
Even wine. I
I
don't.
know.
I stay away from all of it. I just know I'm
You
poisoning
feel so
myself.
much better. You're reinforced for this.
Too many
Yes.
toxins.
Yeah. And if you could give a suggestion to someone that's thinking about going on the diet, like Mitch that was in today, or is already on the diet and having trouble, what would it be?
Well, when I talk to people, the first thing they always tell me is, "I'm going to starve."
Yeah,
I'm going to starve because all I'm going to eat is salads. Well, that's not
not
true.
true. Yeah.
There's so many different varieties of things we can eat plant-based with the nuts and the legumes and the potatoes and different macaronis and it's just amazing
Yeah.
what we can eat.
Yeah, it is.
And as you educate yourself, it's wide open. I
Yes.
mean, it really is. And in fact, I really enjoy eating plant-based much better than eating meats
Your
and
taste
cheeses.
buds change,
I was
don't
just
they?
going to say that my taste buds are enhanced on
Yes,
things that I
enhanced.
eat.
That's a good word. Yes.
That's what's going on.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you, Steve. I appreciate it.
Yep.
Give me a shake, and I'll see you guys next week.
Awesome.